but he's young. You plus him, I got a team.
There's this new guy. He's such a prick. He's quick though.
I'm offering you an open seat in Formula One. The only place you could say, if you win, you are the absolute best in the world.